What really make you angry?
Make you angry.
Cái ấy cả ba bên long ya pi ba pin dom. Cái ấy cả ba bên long ya pi ba pin dom.
Okay. This time we'll start with me, right? They are challenging me. So first we'll tell you in Arabic.
Maza yugdibuk.
Maza yugdibuk. Okay? In Nepal.
Ajur like ke kurale ris utsa.
Let me guess.
What again?
Ajur like kun kurale ris utsa.
Ka e kaba pinlong ya pi ba ping dom.
What really make you angry? Hey, kaya kabab bilong ay pi ba pin dom. Simple.
Once again.
Kaya kabab bilong.
I think he's speaking Hindi. Kaya is that? Say that one.
What day is it today?
What day is it today?
Menta kasngi desngi ayu. Menta kasngi desngi ayu.
This look very difficult. Okay. What day is it today?
Manta kisna diya say ayu. Simple. Manta kesikna diya.
There is so many words here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 words. Say it one by one.
No, not 6, 5.
It's 6. One word. This is different. Different words. Say it.
Metna ka sing de sang kai ayu. It's like when I'm speaking Chinese language. Shillong.
Minta kasne desni ayu.
Menta ka singi de singi ayo. Menta ka singi de singi ayo. That is in full. What day is it? Oh my gosh, I will never ask someone from Khasi that what day is it.
How are you? Pilong kumno. Pilong kumno. How long will it take? Kat no kan shimpor. Kat no kan shimpor.
Okay.
No kan shimpor. Like
Then,
how long will take?
First one. How are you?
How are you? Bilong kanom. Bilong kanom. Bilong kam no. Bilong kam no. It's very true.
You?
Filong kumno.
Pilong kumno. Okay. How are you? Pilong kumno. You pronounce it wrong. You're laughing, huh? Once again, say.
Bilong komnu.
Kumno. K-U-M. Kum.
Okay.
No.
Then tell me the next. How
Okay, the next is how long will it take? Kat no kan shimpor.